just wanted to call you and hear your voice and hear how you've been lately. I went to your favorite coffee shop today. I thought that maybe you would have grabbed your favorite drink. It would have been nice to see you there. I grabbed one myself, actually. I don't know why I did that. I even told myself that I know I hate this stupid drink of yours. Never been a fan of those weirdly fancy named teas with those super duper add-ons that only skyrocket the price to an absurd amount. It was really embarrassing to explain the exact order to the cashier. Took me a few minutes to get right. Spoiler alert, it wasn't worth it. It tastes just like I remember it. Not as good as you made it sound, but hey, at least it reminded me of you. I still drink it. Not entirely, but enough that you would have been proud of me if you'd walked through the stores. Snowball is quite moody nowadays. It seems like she misses somebody in particular. Not that I blame her. In fact, I totally get her. She's currently loafing where you usually sit on my couch. Sometimes she comes to me to get some cuddles, but it only lasts a minute or two. I think we all know she's Mama's good Oh, she reacted to that. Hmm? What's the matter, Snow? Yeah? Uh, sorry. Maybe I shouldn't leave a voicemail of me having a conversation with Snowball. It would be weird, wouldn't it? That's right. I saw the artist lineup for the next music festival this summer. I'm pretty sure you already know this, but your favorite artist's coming over here. I assume you already bought a pass to the festival. I'm not judging you. In fact, I've already done the same. Remember? I do. I remember that day like it was yesterday. You fell in love with a new part of me that I never really showed. And I was happy that you were there with me to see it. Does that make me selfish to wish that our roles could be reversed this summer? Probably, yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to talk with you. Call me back when you can. If you want, of course. There's nothing forcing you to do so, and I will... I don't know why I keep doing this. Heck, I don't even know if you're actually listening to your voicemail. I wouldn't be surprised if you deleted them before even hearing my voice. But, hey, I still want to let you know I'm still here. I mean, you still have the same number, and when I call you, it rings on your end. So, you didn't fully cut ties with me. It gives me hope that maybe you didn't forget about me. About us. I mean, wish that you would just pick up the phone one day. Listen, I made some stupid mistakes. I've said some of the dumbest shit. I've been neglecting you a bit. No, I mean a lot, actually. I want to do it right this time. I mean it. I want to be there for you. Maybe the best partner you could ever ask for. I I miss you. You know? I want to see my reflection in your eyes. That smiling, smug face you make whenever I compliment you. The little imperfections that make you unique. All the annoying quirks that define your charm. The laughs after you prank me. Your cuddle bear when you feel needy or have a bad day. You never know how important something is until it slips away from your hand, never to be seen. These past few months have been painfully empty. I'm lost without you, babe. I think about you every single day, and I can't bring myself to forget what we had together. It's hard. So hard without your presence in my life. I feel like you always made every second of my day worth it. Listen. I won't force you into my selfish requests, but please, I beg you, just call me, alright? Or leave a message, anything. If not, well, I'll stop. For good. Maybe I don't know. Goodbye, babe.